Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure accessibility-friendly tabs using WAI-ARIA practices, complete guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of accessibility in web design. Familiarize yourself with the WAI-ARIA practices. Ensure your project setup includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Start with a basic HTML structure for your tabs. Create a container element for your tab structure. Add a role equals tab list attribute to this container. Next, create individual tab elements inside the container. Assign each tab element a role equals tab attribute. Ensure each tab has a unique ID for reference. Set up ARIA controls attributes on each tab, linking to corresponding tab panels. Create a tab panel for each tab element. Each tab panel should have a role equals tab panel attribute. Link each tab panel to its corresponding tab using the ID reference. Make sure to include ARIA labeled by attributes in the tab panels. Set the tab index to 0 for the active tab to ensure it is focusable. For inactive tabs, set tab index to -1. Implement keyboard navigation using JavaScript. Allow users to navigate through tabs using the left and right arrow keys. Use the keydown event listener to detect key presses. Update the active tab and panel accordingly on keydown events. Ensure the selected tab has an ARIA selected equals true attribute. Remove the ARIA selected attribute from inactive tabs. Make sure to visually indicate the active tab using CSS styles. Test the solution with screen readers to ensure compatibility. Check that all content in tab panels is only accessible when the respective tab is active. Encourage checking for compliance with accessibility guidelines. Lastly, review your implementation with real users to gather feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.